Um, so today we're meeting Alessandra
Favero.
Favero. Alessandra Favero. She's a scientist for livestock and part of the space farming workshop, like you showed us, right?
Yes.
So I have a few questions for you. Can you just explain in short forms what exactly does this workshop do?
Okay, this is our first international symposium on space farming. So the idea is to have many expertises here, many people that work with space farming all around the world. So we have here in Brazil a big network called Space Farming Brazil. This is a network that has about 60 researchers from 24 institutions. The majority is from Brazil, but we have 4 that is abroad, 3 from United States and 1 from Australia.
Okay.
So the idea is to have everybody here. We have a lot of speakers from United States, Austria, and Australia, and Italy. And so this is a great opportunity to be partners in the future.
Under this name, you make many projects, right? Like I read that you had some space rockets were going to space.
Yes.
Can you explain a bit more about it?
Sure. We had 2 opportunities to put some experiments. We had some payloads into suborbital flights and 1 orbital flight. 1 suborbital flight was in a Blue Origin flight that we had seeds of chickpeas and plantlets of sweet potatoes in last March. So this was a very interesting opportunity to understand how microgravity and radiation can change the plants, or some genes can be turned on and turned out. So this is a genetic experiment. And the other one is to ship or to launch seeds from strawberry, bahia grass, and 2 orchids that we sent for 7 days in ISS. So
That's interesting.
Yeah, thank you.
When we are talking about food, you said you were choosing 2 different types of food.
Yes.
Which was it, and why did you choose it?
We chose sweet potato and chickpeas because one is rich of carbohydrates and the other one is rich of proteins. That is a base of our food. So that's why we started as a model to work with other plants that we can work in the future. So it's not close to just with this, but it's the beginning to start with space farming.
To this, if you plant these plants, you need like minerals to feed them and something. And these minerals they take, and then you eat the minerals with them. But in the end, you have to have minerals in the beginning. How do you think? What's the solution, or do you have a solution for this?
I think that in the beginning we need to provide many fertilizers or even the structure. We need to build the structure on a moon or other or in a space station, for example. We need to put everything there. But after, when everything is done, so they need to be circuit and sustainable. So in the beginning, we need to provide some of these minerals.
Like investment to have a circuit.
Yes, for sure. Yeah.
Then I have another thing.
For sure.
You talked about CRISPR too, right?
Yes.
And you try to modify the DNA of them to prevent more food or special things, right?
Yeah, CRISPR is a technology that we can knock out some areas of the DNA. It's not a transgenic, it's not a GMO,
Okay,
you know.
okay.
It's a technology that we can use, but it's not. It's not to put genes from other plant or other
okay.
organisms into them. It's a new technology that's not considered as a GMO. So this is used for some species that we can provide more resistance or more tolerance to, for example, drought, you know, and so the plant can be more efficient in the use of water. We can save water.
Ah, okay.
So like this. This is one, but we can have a lot of tolerance, for example, for diseases or other things that we can use this kind of technology.
And this CRISPR prevents speed breeding too, right? That was what you taught? Or?
Not really. This speed breeding is a technology that we can use lightning and you know, photoperiod. So plants can use light and dark. So we can understand. It's like a recipe. Each plant needs an amount of light, an amount of dark. So if we know, for example, for chickpeas and sweet potato, how they or what kind of light and how much light they need, they will grow faster.
Okay.
So if they grow faster, we can harvest faster. So we can save time.
Understood.
We can have a lot of cycles of growing during a year. So this is speed breeding. So we can select quickly.
Thank you for your time, I think.
Oh, thank you so much for the opportunity. It's a pleasure to having you here.
Thank you
Thank
that you invested a bit of time for us for these questions. I think I don't have any questions anymore.
Thank you so much.